dear students, this is my fourth class from chapter Natural Disaster, and today I shall discuss about the natural disaster flood. What is flood? You know that a major part of the earth is covered with water. When these water bodies like lakes, river, ponds, seas, ocean are overflowed with water and leads to flooding, that is, submerge the surrounding areas and causes flood. Here you can see the picture of flood where the surrounding areas of water bodies, it may be river or ocean, overflowed, and for which these areas submerged with water. And you can see the picture of water logging. This is the flood. What causes flood? Mainly heavy rainfall for continuously some days together, water bodies overflow and submerge the surrounding areas. Here in the picture you can see due to the heavy rainfall, the road is submerged by the excess amount of water. Next point is soil erosion takes place due to deforestation. When it rains heavily, it causes the silting of rivers. This causes rivers to change their course, causing flood and damage to life and property. So, what is the meaning of change their course? It is the meaning the river change its path. Due to soil erosion, rivers change its path, and the path or the direction it takes where the soil is loose, and that happens for the deforestation, which causes flood and damage to life and property. In our country, Kosi River changes direction many times during monsoon and causes damage. Not only that, the river Ganga also during monsoon change its path and continuously submerging the areas. Especially in West Bengal, we can see the district Malda, district Nadia. Many villages are there which are drowned due to the flood caused by Ganga river. Another point is melting of snow on mountain peaks and glaciers also increases the level of seas and ocean. So if water level increases in seas and ocean, it leads flooding. In this picture you can see the picture taken in 2003, where you can see the picture of glacier, and in 2018 due to the melting of the glacier, the water logged in that very surface increases, and these water flowed into the ocean and rivers and increases the water level. So due to the global warming, such type of many glaciers are melting, and every year the level of the water in ocean is increasing, for which many lowland area and island are submerged and not seen now. Next, this is a picture of changing of path of a river. This is a picture of a river path. You can see the trace of different path in different times the river flowed. Now this is the line where the river now flowing. This is the current direction of the river flow. Before that, the river flowed in this direction, in this direction. So many times these rivers changes direction, and when it changes direction, the surrounding areas also get submerged or overflowed, which causes damage. The river changes direction when it get hindered or opposed by anything. It may be due to the hard soil type, And when the river water get the loose soil type, then soil erosion occur, and that that river changes direction in that very region where soil is loose. So these are the causes of flood. Next we'll discuss about effects of flood. First point, there is a loss of life and property that you know very well, and the picture here you can see the damage due to the flood is given. Destruction of buildings and properties. Not only that, thousands of lives also lost by the flood. Another point is an outbreak of epidemic generally takes place after a flood, and waterlogging, unhygienic conditions, lack of clean drinking water leads to spread of germs and waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid and jaundice. Yes, for not getting the clean water, and when the dirty water mixed with the drinking water, by drinking this one, people suffered by these waterborne diseases. So this point is very important, because after flood, most of the areas which affected by flood, the people suffered from this type of diseases. This is a picture, you can see the effects of flood. This picture taken in Sundarban areas of our state, where the people are suffering very badly due to the flood. And in the first figure you can see a girl is carrying on kalsi for searching of drinking water. For this they are to float from one place to another place, because the sources of drinking water, like that of the tap or tube well, are under the water level or under dirty water. Not only that, people cannot eat properly, they do not get the food properly, when they do not get food from that area. Not only that, many types of other animals like snakes also float here and there. So there is also one of the problem for the people who are living in that very area. Now, how can we prevent flood? We can prevent flood by planting enough trees to prevent soil erosion. If soil erosion can be prevented, flood also can be controlled. So by planting many trees near river and river bank and sea or ocean beach, which control the flood. Like in mangrove in Sundarban, you know, it can control the flood or overflow of the excess water from ocean bodies. So it is very important. Building embankments to control flow of water into river, building proper streams and channels to direct flow of excess water. So here in the picture you can see there is a picture of embankment which built near the on the water in the river bank. So the boulders are paved with the help of wire grid, which can control the excess pressure of water during monsoon. As a result, the excess water cannot overflow to the other side of the bank and prevent the area from flood. In city area or urban area, flood can be controlled by proper design of the buildings or city area or any complex. If the buildings are made properly in a systematic way with proper drainage system, then flood can be controlled. Next picture is given a flood control channel. Such channels are made to direct the excess water into another place. So during monsoon, when heavy rainfalls occur, excess water from the rivers can flow into another channel. For this, flood can be prevented. There's a picture of a forest region near the river bank which hold the soil properly. Soil erosion can be prevented this way and flood also can be controlled. Next, this is the picture of devastation during the flood 2013 in Uttarakhand. Here you can see the picture before flood, the Lord Shiva sitting over a tiger. The statue in 2013 is submerged by the flood water. This is the picture of Kerala flood 2019 which causes thousands of people life loss. Not only that, plants, animals and many properties. So student, today this much. Next day we will learn about drought.